Why communication is very important? Means communication skills.
Hello, good morning all of you. My name is Harshita Kuhara. Listen me carefully everyone. Okay, so today ma'am gave me a topic. Why communication skills is important. So it's important because communication skills is when you talk to someone else, then you talk with them. If you don't react or your body language is not correct, and you don't have any skills of talking, that you are abusing someone with in another way. So you have to improve your skills, because of skills play an important role. Like you have good listening skills, you have good speaking skills, you have good body language skills, also personality developments. So it helps you to show your expressions and language. And communication skills is a skill that will help you to give a good impression on someone. Because if you are talking to in abroad, so if you talk to them, then you have to give some skills, because it will show a good impact on you. Thank you.